achieve your dream. Yes, you can. I had many dreams, and one of them is to be a bestseller, #1 best-selling author, and I achieved that dream. And that has helped me to realize more and more that I can help others too to achieve their dreams. So what is your dream? What have you been trying to get to? What are you searching for? What are you trying and planning to be? That's why I have this information for you. I can help you get there. I can surely deliver for you. The missing element is not using the right tool. I found the right tool and I connect with the right system. I connected with the right system and I'm still connecting with the right system. And I want you to do the same because you can. I want you to model success. I want you to know what works. I found what works. I used a simple 3-way system and now I'm modeling success. And I know it will give me great result. And I want to share that with you. I want you to go ahead and become what you want to be. I get my result. I became #1 best-selling author, and I'm still aiming higher for more success and wealth. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to go ahead and be what you have always wanted to be. Click the link below, watch the free video, decide to start living the life you deserve because you deserve to be great. Today is your day. No more time to waste.